The technology you choose for online learning must work with the online learning platform and applications you will be using. This video series helps you make an educated choice. In this video, we'll look at processor specifications. There are several processors in all computing devices. These respond to and process users' commands to the computer. The most important one is the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, hardware inside the computer that takes instructions, decodes them, and processes them. The more powerful and updated your processor, the faster your computer can complete its tasks. Several factors determine how powerful and fast a processor is. Clock speed and the number of cores are two common specifications. Clock speed refers to how many instructions the CPU can process per second. The speed is measured in gigahertz. The greater the clock speed, the faster a CPU will run. Performance is also affected by the number of cores a CPU has. Most processors today are multi-core, which means that they are built with two or more processors in the CPU and can therefore handle more tasks at the same time. CPUs can be dual-core, handling two processes at the same time, quad-core, handling 4, 8-core, and even more. Computers with a high clock speed and a lot of cores can be quite expensive, so check the recommended processor requirements for the programs you will be running. The two major brands of processors are Intel and AMD. Each offer a range of products with varying performance levels. Intel's most common processors are the Core series, i3 through to i9. Higher numbers indicate better performance and capabilities. AMD has an equivalent series called Ryzen, also ranging from 3 through 9. In addition, both brands market lower performing processors such as Intel's Pentium and AMD's Athlon that are found in less expensive and less powerful computers and Chromebooks. Within each family of processors, there are a number of configurations and product generations, making choosing a CPU a bit complicated. Generally, both brands offer broadly similar performances for the same price. Recently, Apple has started making their own CPU processors as well under the brand Apple Silicon, so you may see these in newer Mac computers. Regardless of the processor specifications in the device you are considering, be sure to confirm that they meet the minimum requirements for the learning platform you will be using. Watch the other videos in this series to learn about other considerations.